guys, it started raining, so I moved the frame inside. But as you can see, the framing is done. So now I'm gonna give it a paint job for extra protection if there's gonna get some water in the walls. So I'm gonna give the bottom part, I give that some special paint, because if there's water in the wall, the most of the water will sit in the bottom part. And the top side, I will give that some normal paint, because that will be some that will have enough protection. So let's do it. I'm finished painting for today. I got the bottom paint is done. Now I'm gonna do the white paint on the top side of the frame. This side is already done. Now I need to wait for the paint to dry, so I can turn it around, and then I can do the rest of the frame. And then I can place the wooden plates on top. Also gonna paint them. And then if that goes good and it's drying tomorrow, then I maybe can place it tomorrow in the fan, and otherwise the day after that. So we will see how it goes.